If you need to add formulas in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the built-in equation tools so you can insert everything from simple fractions to square roots, superscripts, subscripts, and even more advanced math notation. This is a super useful skill, whether you're working on school assignments, reports, research papers, or any document that needs clean, professional-looking equations. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go ahead and open the document where you want to insert your formula. This can be a blank document or an existing file. Now that your document is ready, look at the top menu and click the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where Word keeps a lot of useful features for adding content to your page. From there, find the equation option and click it. When you click Equation, Word will give you an option to insert new equation. Go ahead and select that, and you'll see a new equation box appear in your document. This box is where you can build and type your formula. Now, the nice thing about Microsoft Word is that it gives you equation tools to help you create mathematical expressions quickly and neatly. You can use these tools to insert fractions, which is great if you're writing things like 1/2 or more complex mathematical ratios. You can also add superscripts and subscripts, which are useful for things like powers, chemical formulas, and indexed values. For example, if you want to write something like x squared, you can easily format it as a superscript. If you need a subscript, like in a chemistry formula, Word can handle that too. You can also insert square roots, which is helpful for algebra and geometry. And if your formula needs symbols or special mathematical characters, Word has those built in as well. Another really useful option is that you can type formulas directly if you already know the format. For example, you can type a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and Word can help you work with that equation inside the editor. This makes it easy to create common math expressions without having to build every single part manually. As you type and use the equation tools, Word will format the formula so it looks much more polished than plain text. That means your document will be easier to read and more professional overall. Once your formula is complete, just click outside the equation box to finish editing. At that point, Word will lock in the formatting and place the formula cleanly into your document. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to use formula in Microsoft Word using the built-in equation feature. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when you need to add math into your documents. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.